Hello chaps, I just wanted to let you know I've not been slacking, but I'm very disappointed today. I've worked all day on this setup. I thought we could do away with the pillars and paraphernalia. To get things as simple as possible, let's have the heights marked on a backboard, and then we can drop the pendulum from the 4 times the height and see if it reflects back. I tried it with the strings and it was just awful. They were twisting and bouncing all over the place. So it might not be ideal, but I'm going to try and do it with the rigid pendulum rods because that eliminates that problem. And if the weight is going to be a complaint, we can adjust that perhaps to get a third, 1 to 3 we want. But for Gary and anybody else is interested, I thought I'd point out, believe it or not, that first mark there is 2 inches and that height there is 8 inches. So it's 4 times the height. But you can see that it's near enough twice the distance. It's a little bit more to the left. But that just shows you that you can't rely on what the eye tells you. You have to measure things, and that's where the mathematics comes into science, isn't it? You can't tell by looking. Interestingly, the further up, if we made the circle, if we went up the circle more on the height, then they become more and more to the left, and you get that exaggerated larger gap from bottom dead center to the 1 height position, and then a smaller distance. The ratio is changed. But when you're right down the bottom of a circle like this, they're not much different. I thought that was interesting. But yeah, I'll see if I can set up some pendulums on the rod, because it eliminates the twisting problem. Hopefully see you on that one.